Omar and Jimmy are waiting for their science lecture to begin. Omar, what's wrong?
I burnt my finger when I was trying to look what's cooking in the kitchen. It's swollen and paining.
Oh, let me tell you why it happens. Why does it pain? Kids, let's understand what happened when Omar touched the hot vessel. Omar, you must have taken your hand back immediately, didn't you?
Yes, I took my hand away quickly.
When you touched the vessel, each neuron, that is, the nerve cell, received an impulse and passed it on to the next neuron. A neuron comprises of the dendrites, the cell body, and the axon. I know the terms are new and difficult to understand. Kids, let's understand these in simpler words. Consider each neuron as a computer's processor that takes input, does the required processing on the input, and generates an output. Here, the branch-like structures called dendrites are the inputs. They receive messages from other nerves or the receptor organ, such as the skin, and transmit them to the output point, which is the axon. Axon receives the message from the dendrites and passes it on to the dendrite of next neuron. Thus, this process is continuous. A gap of 2 to 20 nanometers (nm), called synapse, separates the axon of one neuron and the dendrites of the next neuron. During the transmission of the messages, some chemicals are released which go across the synapse and start a similar impulse in the dendrite of the next neuron. The axon conducts impulses from the dendrites of another neuron. Ultimately, the signal is passed to the neuron of the brain. The brain processes the signal and sends an impulse to the neuron of the effector organ, the muscle cells in this case. Muscle cells contain special kind of proteins that help to change their shape, thus responding to the electrical impulses. This is how a movement takes place. Omar, did you understand why you took your hand away as soon as you touched the hot vessel?
Yes, ma'am. I never knew such a long process takes place in just fraction of seconds. It was very amazing.
Great. Kids, we end the lecture here. Next lecture, we will learn about something more interesting. Waiting to hear about your next adventure, Omar.